You on the Indianapolis?
What happened?
Very first light, Chief. Sharks come cruising. So we formed ourselves into tight groups. Shark comes to the nearest man, that man he starts pounding, hollering, and screaming. Sometimes the shark go away. Sometimes that shark, he looks right into you. Right into your eyes. You know the thing about a shark, he's got lifeless eyes. Black eyes, like a doll's eyes. When he comes at you, he doesn't seem to be living until he bites you. Those black eyes roll over white. Oh, and you